When upgrading or adding RAM to your system, it's essential to know the speed of your existing RAM modules. Mixing RAM modules with different speeds may lead to suboptimal performance, and some systems may not support certain speeds. So in this tutorial, we'll teach you how to find out your RAM speed in Windows 11 in a quick and easy way.
First, press the Windows key plus R in your keyboard. Type the following command. Press OK. Click on More Details. Click on Performance. Click on Memory. In here you'll find how much RAM you have. In here you'll find your RAM speed.